Whereas mine is built for stealth. Mom just got into the game, and hers is also a 21-foot little, cute little camper here. And what's cool about the little 21, 22 footers is you can park them in any legal parking space. So I just thought I'd do a quick tour of Mom's before she does it all up. I'll take a look in through the door here. Yeah, my lighting's going cloudy. We'll try over on the driver's side. Oh yeah, and we had after she got it, we put in these cool headlights. They got LEDs in the bottom there. And then we put a new grill in it. The other grill was alright, but had some chips and stuff. And there we go. Let's see how this comes out if we show up. It's all pretty clean in here. Now we'll go take a look at the inside. And hopefully it'll be light enough in there. So now we'll go take a look at the inside. Alright, let's get the battery power on here. Okay, well, as you can see, kitchen's right in the back here. Alright, let me turn on some lights. Okay. Oops. I think this little deal here is designed so you can lean the driver's chair back more when you're driving, because there's not a lot of room between the wheel, especially for a big guy like me that hasn't lost the weight he wants to lose yet. Anyway, that don't really help much either. Oh well. So that's the cab area. It does have a bunk over the top, which won't be used. We're going to take those cushions out, and that'll be extra storage and stuff, and put a TV up there. It's got a pop-out jackknife couch here, and dinette booth. The jackknife couch, there we go. It makes into a quick little bed. And then we'll turn around and go back the other way. Oops, let me step back into the cab area here. So, it has pretty good storage. Lots of cabinetry and stuff. And got a double sink here. 3-burner stove, no oven, but it does have a microwave convection oven with a little bit of storage up there. And like I said, pretty good storage in the cabinets. I like how they made a little wine bottle rack in there. I don't know if Mom will leave that in there. She might, we'll see. We've got a lot of mods we're going to do for it. Like I said, they're pretty spacious storage cabinets. One of the things Mom wanted, we were lucky to find this small one because it parks in a regular parking spot because it's only 21.5 feet long. And this fridge here was one of the things Mom was really wanting because it's got oh, where are we at here? It's got its own freezer and fridge separately. So that turned out pretty cool. And I guess right here is a little bit of storage. Oh yeah, and then that little box right there. I wonder if we can get more lights on here. There we go. That's a little bit better. That's a little outlet deal that shows battery voltage and a couple USB chargers and a 12-volt port. In the bathroom here, hey. Okay, I'm not getting. Oh, hey, how come I'm not getting lights in the bathroom? Oh. Oh, dang it. There we go. There we go. Anyway, Mom wanted a big bathroom and the big fridge, so we've got a nice little storage cabinet right here, so she can store some of her bathroom stuff in here. It does have, well, we got a heater in the shower right now for in the winter, so if we're out here working on it. But it does have its own little shower in here, which is pretty slick. Definitely for a little 21, 22 footer that can park in any parking spot. It's pretty roomy. And then she's got a nice little wardrobe. Nice little wardrobe in here that's pretty roomy. So I can't guarantee that. Oops, I should shut off these lights in here. Will that kill them both? Yes, it will. Okay. Oh, and look at this cabinet. Alright. I don't think I'm missing anything else other than, you know, just good cabinet storage everywhere. Drawers. Oh, cabinet storage. Fuse box. It's got this little extension table here. So you got a little bit more counter space. But not a bad little rig. And let's see over the door here. I don't know if that close bar is going to stay there or not. Coat hook thing, maybe. I don't know. Depends on what Ma wants to do. But anyway, this is just kind of a quick little tour of her camper. And hope you guys enjoyed this short little tour. And I guess as we modify this one, I'll show you more. One on the outside here, it does have a little porch light. Let's see. I think the little compartment down there, that's propane access to fill the propane. I think that's where her house battery is. This here, ta-da, is just more storage on the outside. I don't know how well this is going to come in. It's kind of dark out. She's got some wheel chocks in there. Oops. I gotta kill the power out here. Yeah, not a bad little RV. Mom's pretty happy about it. It's I do believe it's a 1996, and it's on an E350 chassis with a 460 Ford in it. So, with it being as little as it is, it'll get up and go. And I know that from experience. And then future here, hopefully I'm going to remember to bring my camera out in my van here. Oh, where's the little hood latch? I have had a heater core leaking, so I pulled out the heater core here, and I forgot to film. So hopefully I'm going to remember to film. My new heater core should be here tomorrow, I think. And then I'll hopefully remember to film putting it back in, so that way it'll help anybody that's pulling one out or putting one in. That way you can see all the crazy hidden bolts and stuff. I'll show that in the video. But still working on this one. It's got a ways to go yet. I haven't installed my solar stuff yet. I've got it all. I just got to put it in yet. But we'll do more on that one later. Today was more about Mom's new little camper. So we're all getting all ready for being able to camp or bug out or whatever. Hope you like this little short tour, and then look forward to the future after she's done doing it all up. And we'll show you the difference later so you can see an after shot. But another thing that's funny is mine says it's a 22 footer, and my mom says hers says it's a 21 footer, but they are the identical size, bumper to bumper, and on her paperwork it says it's 21 and a half feet. Anyway, hopefully this video turned out alright. And there's my Jeep way over there. I gotta get a battery and a brake line for that. Still have not done my brake line. I've been so busy doing other stuff I haven't found the time to do it. So I got a feeling now I'm just gonna wait till spring to do that. Oops. Here's the house with some snow on the roof. There's Mom's vehicle and the plow truck. Thank goodness we got the plow truck up and going again. There's a shot of the pond in the winter out in front of the house. And I've been feeding the birds there. That's a stump that I feed the birds on. They go nuts. In the morning they're either squawking for me or I come out and whistle and they all come squawking. Oh, that's because I've been redoing the back bathroom. Oh, hey, I'm getting stuck in the snow here. You want to see something that almost makes me cry? It's not spring yet. But that's only a few months away, and then I'll be driving around doing some more town tours, hopefully. Oh, and the other thing that I was going to say that I do have, I just haven't put it all in yet. I have got, still haven't got the window fixed on my rig yet. On my rig here, yeah, that middle window there, I've got that's just a board I painted and put in and stuff, but I gotta get that window put in yet. And after I get my solar and stuff up there, I've got a 4-camera system for the front, back, left, and right. So it can be used as a backup camera monitoring system. It'll take up to 128 gig SD card, so I can have it recording all the time, loop recording. And because I'll have all 4 angles, I'm hoping it will help me do my town videos. I can drive through the different towns and I'll have all 4 angles going through. And then I'll just have to get out with the camera I'm filming now to get the close-up shots and stuff like that, of like restaurant menus and whatever else not. Well, once again, hope you enjoyed this little tour of my mom's camper and the before, and we'll get to see the after later. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and the like button. Help me grow. I never thought I'd get to 700, and well, actually I knew I would eventually. I just didn't know if I'd pull it off as fast as I have. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Spread the word, help my channel grow, and we'll try to keep pumping out videos. Bye.